Hey guys, here's a new tip for you. If you want to make your IoTiny Clip-and-Play compatible, you can try using these following ideas. Alright, the first idea here is to use a 3D printed enclosure. So this enclosure was designed by community member Richard Ryerson. And so what you do is you just stick your IoTiny in the bottom here, put the lid on, and then use some screws from your servo accessory bag, just these silver long ones here. And you could put those in. I would recommend leaving this corner without a screw, just because it's close to the Wi-Fi antenna. You don't want to cause any interference. And then if you wanted to, you could take that enclosure and grab a piece of double-sided sticky tape, stick it to the back, and then peel that plastic off and stick it to the adapter plate. And then if you don't have a 3D printer or access to one, you could actually just take that double-sided sticky tape, put it on the back of your IoTiny, and stick it on your adapter plate just like that. And third idea is to actually just use cable ties, or commonly known as zip ties or zap straps, depending what field of work you're in. So we just grab the two corners here, stick those through, ratchet them up, trim off the excess. Oh, look at that. Your IoTiny is now Clip-and-Play compatible. Isn't that easy?